4 things you should never do when selling IT services or any type of professional services and support. I can practically guarantee you're making one of these big mistakes and wasting your chances of closing a sale. This came from a recent meeting with one of my IT service clients saying, how can I close more sales? The person asking me this question was dealing with the usual price objection / not enough perceived value thing. So here are the 4 mistakes they made or everybody is doing in the service sector. Writing a proposal without investing time diagnosing the problems they have. This is a big mistake. I see all the time service companies assume their services will fix any problem. Well, guess what? Not necessarily. You have to scope their pain points: installs, delays, lack of support, help guides, cost of maintenance, bugs, etc. Ask questions about what they are currently doing, assess the current situation, and take notes. Then go and think how you can improve the situation. 2. Sending your proposal by email. Your proposal is the single best value proposition that you can afford to a customer. You have met with them several times, assessed their situation, you've looked at what they want to achieve, you discussed that with them, and you now know their goals, you know what their problems are. From now on, invest time in answering their problems with practical solutions. Talk business, not features and functionalities only. Your proposal is not just a quote for computer services, but it should be the solution to the problems they are having in their business. Your proposal is the strategy to how they are going to solve their business problems. By emailing it, you are degrading its value to just a quote. And second, when they open your attachment, you know for sure they will be just looking at the price page. You want to meet with them, explain value before price. When you send your proposal by email, you will have to play the game of follow-ups, calling them, asking if they have any questions. It's the stupidest way to follow up. My suggestion is when you finish diagnostic / assessment, you schedule the next appointment to come back with a report of findings and discuss your solution. 3. Sending your proposal before knowing if the budget meets their expectations. Well, let's face it, you already know the estimated price based on what you've seen at their premises, the number of computers, the business processes, the servers, etc. So ask them intelligent questions to know their budget without asking for the budget, without giving a price. Questions like, what other solutions have you seen so far? You don't want to write pages and pages of proposals for nothing. What I'm saying here is you should never write a proposal to close the sale. The proposal should be a summary of what you've already discussed and agreed with the prospects. If they seem okay and they fit with the budget, now what they just need is the approach, the time frame, the tools that you will be using, the CVs of the consultants, etc. In that way, there will be no surprises and you know in advance that you are not wasting your time and energy. 4. Your marketing is not targeted or is weak. When you are getting resistance or they are ignoring you, they are blocking you, they are not returning your calls, and you can't figure out what is the objection really, don't just blame it on the weather. There is something wrong with the way you are handling the objections, positioning your value. And here comes the 3rd tip in this video. Your marketing is weak. Your marketing should be targeted to pre-qualify the leads. You don't want to sell to everyone. Your marketing should predispose the people that you should meet to do business with. You need selling, of course, but marketing is what's going to position you to do it when you go in the door. And if the lead is not generated and it is not qualified properly, if the marketing is flawed at the beginning, it's gonna be really hard to close. You will be just getting meetings with people who are just not interested in your services, or they are cheap or time wasters. If you want to know more about how to sell better for service companies, join me and my partner Amadeus for one-day workshop that includes a pre-workshop assessment of your expectations, a marketing session, and an after-workshop sales IQ assessment. Amadeus and I are going to give you the best material full of examples, a big workbook you are going to take home that is full of tools and techniques, examples and templates for your sales and marketing practices. In this workshop, you will get the best way to show your value, know how to target the people that are the right sweet spot clients that you want in the first place, people who are predisposed to doing business with you, and the objections and how to handle them properly and in advance. A final thought, don't position your business as just a computer repair guy like a plumber or an electrician. Position yourself this way and you're not gonna get the respect that you deserve. You're not gonna get the quality leads and referrals that you want. You're going to get price shoppers. So make an investment in yourself and your team. Come to the workshop and you will not be disappointed. Just click on the link in the description below and register now because I'm not gonna be doing this again soon. So I hope to see you all there.